kind of came out of dinner with a job. Didn't go in expecting a job. My name's Alan Foster. Officially, I'm the Chief Operating Officer, so I cover everything to do with the manufacturing of the bike, facility, the factory. Started my career with Ford, then moved to Toyota, spent a year out in Japan, then moved from there to General Motors, worked around the globe from General Motors, based in Switzerland, ran a couple of factories for them in Germany, been out in America, ended back up in the UK, and then from there moved to McLaren, the Formula One team. And basically set up with a small group. We set up the automotive side of their business and was in that for 15 years, and then spent the last 2 years in facilities management and business strategy. So, and then hit the 60s, and it's like, okay, time to slow down. So was enjoying the initial stages of a happy retirement, and a chance meeting through a colleague of mine said, look, you got to come and meet this guy in London. I thought, what's his name? She said, Marco Lettermacchi. He's okay. And so kind of went for dinner with him, and kind of came out of dinner with a job. Didn't go in expecting a job. We were talking. He said, well, I really like you. And I went, yeah, I really like you. And he's like, can you come and help me build motorbikes? It was like, yeah, okay. And he opened his phone and he showed me the picture, and it was like, oh my God, that's just like mind expanding. And I was like, yeah, of course I want to come and make that. Having done it with McLaren and from scratch, to do something in a different format, it was like, wow, there's not often in your life you get to do something that you really love doing twice. And it was like, yeah, I got to do this. This is a no-brainer.